Hi all, welcome back. In this part we're going to look at sorting this mess out because it's not responsive and it looks awful. So let's do that. So obviously we need to go down to where we did all the media querying. So again, let's go down to the bottom. Let's put a comment in, contact form, and I suppose the first thing we need to do is I'd quite like to get rid of these, to be honest. They're not necessary when you've got name, email, and message in the fields anyway. Um, so yeah, let's get rid of them. So what do we want to do? Content section all, and we want, what was the form called? It was called this. And we want to target inputs and spans. We just wanted to say display none. Save. So they're gone. Make it bigger. They reappear. Make it smaller. They are gone. Wow. So that makes it a lot cleaner if you're looking at it on a small screen. You don't want those to read, do you? So what's next? I think basically all we need to do is adjust the widths of the inputs. So if we go back up here, where is it? We need to grab this lot. If you remember, are all the inputs we specified specifically, and we want that. So move that, move that, that. Let's make it neat. Okay, save that. So I'm just going to say width 300. Well, that's that. Well, we could do a min width of 300, couldn't we? Let's see what's what. So we've got content section 4, content. Let's go content. The form is there. Let's say, yeah, let's do that. Min width is 300 pixels, and let's do width of 100%. Okay, so it should adjust with it. That's better. Oh, that's annoying me. And then when we get down to, I don't know, here, see, that's going to be 300 wide. It won't go any smaller than that. It's pointless having it any smaller than that, really, isn't it? But yeah, that was a quick video, wasn't it? So that's that done. So in the next one, we're going to sort the footer out, and that'll be it. All done. You'll be pleased to hear. What's that, 14, 15 videos? I don't know if you've kept up so far, well done. And if you've understood and followed along, you know, you've just created your own website, so fair play. So I'll see you in the next one.